In this video, I'm going to teach you how to organize, edit, and delete files in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over here into your HubSpot, and you can head over to your marketing to locate your files and template. You can also find it by going to other options. In here, you can see under the content, the files. So here are the files that we currently have. You can see in here the format as well as any options available. Now to organize them, you can create a folder. You can click onto this create a folder option. And then let's name this pictures. Once that has been created, choose right here the files that you want to add onto that folder. I'll head over and move this option to the pictures that we have added right here. Now, in order to edit the file, you can head over and then click onto the file itself or the checkbox near it. Click on the actions and you can move them, manage access, and for the details itself, you can head over and rename it if you want. You can update its actual video right here if you want. Now to delete this, you can just click onto this checkbox again. Click on this move to trash in order to do so. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.